Wrap Happy's attachment to a rolling walker, also known as a rollator, has been designed to be simple and adjustable. First, ensure the rollator's padded backrest piece is centered on the backrest. Remove the Wrap Happys from its storage bag and loosely wrap around the rollator. Open the wide Velcro strap, center over the middle of the backrest, and attach, neatly covering the inside Velcro surface. Next, secure the adjacent straps on each side and again neatly cover the inside Velcro areas. Then attach the smaller straps alternating from side to side all the way down, securing the brake wires inside. Wrap the bottom straps and adhere the Velcro on both sides of the brake wire for a tight fit. Adjust all straps for a custom fit. Retain the storage bag under the seat for use and future storage while using a different Wrap Happys. Enjoy!